thought I'd show off how to do the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Mixing it up right now. Okay, basically, well, let's mess it up more. Basically, you want to get one color. Lots of people like doing the white, so let's see the shortest number of moves to get the white. Well, there's 2 already. That's 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, well. Anyway, you get the white color. Now there's 3 different situations. You can get all 4 in the right position, all 4 that are messed up, or like we have right here, 2 right and 2 wrong. These 2 need to be switched. I have 2 different methods for doing that. So 2 good, 2 wrong, the 2 wrong need to be switched. And here's how I do it. Basically, I take this one and put it in storage down here. So let's do it. Spin, turn, spin, back, spin, turn, spin, and there you go. That was 9 moves. So, spin, turn, spin, back, spin, turn, spin, back, spin. Oh, let's do that again. You got 2 right and 2 wrong. Spin, turn, spin, back, spin, turn, spin, back, spin, and they're done. So, spin, turn, spin, back, spin, turn, spin, back. Let's use the word storage this time. 2 right, 2 wrong. Spin, storage. Spin, bring that red out of storage. Spin, put this one in storage. Spin, and now we got a pair. Well, you can practice that. That's 9 moves. Okay, now my second method for doing that, 2 correct and 2 that need to be switched. Basically, you put this blue and white one in the back. Put it on the bottom, put it in the back. Now you take this white blue one, put it in the back. And as you can see, there's our pair. We want to put those on top. So we're going to put this one here in storage. There it goes in storage. Bring these 2 up and over, and they're going in storage. Bring this one out of storage. Bring these back. And 7 moves. Let's repeat that. You take this one down, put it in the back. Then you take this one, my thumb is touching, and it goes in back. Then you take those 2 and put them on top. Two right, 2 wrong. Let's switch these 2. So you take this, put it in the back. Then you take this one, put it in the back. Then you bring it up and over, bring that back. So yeah, there you go, my two moves. Spin, turn, spin back, spin, turn, spin back, spin, turn, and you got your two that we switched. Spin, turn, spin back, spin, turn, spin back, spin. Oh, and what do you do when they're all mixed up? See? You got the white color, but they're all mixed up. What you do, right, front, right, and they're back. Do that again. Right, front, right, and they're all mixed up. Spin, spin, spin. Well, anyway, that's how you do the top level. And up on the top level, the next step is to orient the corners. This should be blue-orange, but it's not. This should be blue-red, but it's not. This should be red-green. Okay, these two are correct. We're going to put them in the back. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat comes back, cat goes up, cat peeks out the window, close the door, cat reappears, and as you can see, we got red, blue, and this side is correct. That's correct. Okay, let's do that again. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat comes back, cat goes up, cat goes out the window, door closes, cat comes back in the window. And there's the red, blue. These two in the front are mixed up. So put the two good ones in the back, Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat comes back, cat goes up, cat pokes his head out the window, close the door, cat comes back. And now we get the corners back. Now what happens if all four corners are messed up? See, that should be red, blue. This should be orange, blue. This should be orange, green. This should be red, green. So what do? Well, there's no particular side. You can spin this as much as you want. Basically what you do is two cats. Open the door. Open the door. Let this cat out. Now this cat wants out. This cat comes back. This cat comes back. And you go back up. And as you can see, all the corners are correct. Let's do that again. Open the door. Let this cat out. Let this cat out. This cat comes back. This cat goes up. And as you can see, this should be red, blue. This should be orange, blue. This should be orange, green. They're all switched. Again, there's no particular. So, open the door. Let the cat out. Open this door. Cat comes back. Close this door. Close this door. And they're all correct again. That's how you switch all four corners. And before I showed you two corners, now that you've done the top level, you want to do the bottom. And there's a 3-step method, and there's a 2-step method. The 2-step method involves memorization, so I'll show you the 3-step method. As you can see, yellow, what you want to do is you find one yellow. Basically, you open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back. Let's do that again. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back. Okay, I was showing you the 3-step method and I got off on something else. Anyway, you position a yellow here. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back. And here we have the yellow again, step 2. Oh, wait a second, we got 3 doors here. Yellow 1, yellow 2, and yellow 3. So sometimes it don't need 3 steps. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door. Okay, let's do that again. You find a yellow by itself, open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door. Well, when you see the 3 yellows, yellow 1, 2, 3, you know the cube is done. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back. It's that simple. This is an easy move too. I'm getting the 3 doors a lot. Sometimes you'll have 2 yellows. You just pick one. Open the door. Let the cat out. Close the door. Cat goes to the back. Open the door. Cat comes back. Close the door. Yellow. Go down on the yellow. Open the door. Let the cat out. Close the door. Cat goes to the back. Open the door. Cat comes back. Close the door. You see yellow here. Open the door. Let the cat out. Close the door. Cat goes to the back. Open the door. Cat comes back. Close the door. And when you see the 3 doors, yellow 1, yellow 2, yellow 3, you go down on door 3. Open the door, let the cat out, close the door, cat goes to the back, open the door, cat comes back, close the door, and you're done. That's how I do the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.